You're watching EDS TV.
The driver of the green truck that hit the camera lied and tried to tell the cop that he had a green arrow. Well, buddy, the camera's dash cam paints a different story. This is probably metal on metal front brakes and non-working ABS, hence the rear lockups and spins. It's a miracle that no one else was hit. After watching this video a few times, I didn't realize how close this was to becoming a three-way car incident, with the camera getting the worst of it. That ram must have been inches away from the camera's bumper. This is how innocent, responsible drivers find themselves in the ICU, or even worse, dead, when all they were doing was getting to their destination. What an idiot. It looks like the silver Silverado wasn't paying attention to the slow traffic and dodged at the last second. The utility truck was tailgating and following too closely and was unable to avoid the crash altogether. How did they even remotely think it was clear? In my opinion, they need to lose their license ASAP. While the driver did stop, he only did so to berate the camera trying to blame him and then decided to flee the scene. The driver had no plate in the front and a cover on the back. The truck did run a red light. In almost all states, turning drivers are required to stop, remain stopped, and then only proceed after the way is clear. The dog was running in the middle of the road according to multiple drivers. This is why you want to keep a good distance between vehicles because you never know when there's going to be a sudden stop. I absolutely love that camera's horn honk. I could tell that it was done with some gusto.
So talk to us about you growing up. You know, you're from Michigan. I assume you're not from Detroit, so I assume you may have had some experience with firearms in your youth. So talk to us about growing up. Was it a two-way sort of household? Did you guys go shooting, anything like that? Self-defense classes, jiu-jitsu? Talk to us about that.
If only there was some way to keep things from falling out the back, like a gate or something that you can open and close. Free water for the brave and foothardy. I choose to believe that song was just what happened to be playing on the radio at that time. Just 400 credit score things. Both drivers are to blame here in my honest have snapped. I really feel like the song kept them sane. What happened that finally convinced the camera it was a good idea to call 911? I couldn't see what happened, but I assume it was something gnarly. I'm going to be charitable and say that the driver was distracted. They might have been trying to find the ambulance so they could either get out of the way or not hit them when they got onto the crossroad. What a crappy situation to be in. He came at the camera hard. Unfortunately, this was a hit and run. I hope that the camera and any passengers that were involved are okay. The camera was far more polite in his horn usage than I would have if I was in his shoes. Okay, let's go ahead and brainstorm here. How do you think this conversation went? Did it start with, "What's up, dog?" Let me know what you think in the comments below. Best comment wins.
Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddstv2@gmail.com.